We were discussing about the Great Bath in the previous video, and here is a continuation of that part. To the west of the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro is a group of 27 blocks of brickwork crisscrossed by narrow lanes. So in the Mohenjo-daro, to the west of the Great Bath is a group of 27 blocks of brickwork crisscrossed by the narrow lanes. It measures 50 meter east-west and 27 meter northeast. So it is something like this. So north, south, east, west, if you take, it measures 50 east-west. So this is 50, and north-south it measures 27 meter. Similar structures have found at Harappa, Kalibangan and Lothal also. Scholars thought that they may be like granaries. These were granaries which were used for storing the grains. To the south of the granaries at Harappa, make a note, to the south of the granaries at Harappa, lay working platform consisting of the rows of circular brick platforms were found. So the impression of a large wooden mortar was found in the center of the circular platform. So such wooden mortar were used in many parts of the world to remove the husk from the grain. So this makes the confirmation that this type of structure must be a granaries. Is it clear? So coming from the beginning, to the west of the Great Bath in the Mohenjo-daro, we found some 27 blocks of brickwork crisscrossed by the narrow lanes, and it measured 50 meter east-west and 27 meter north-south. Similar structure also found in the Harappa, Kalibangan and the Lothal, and scholars thought they were granaries which are used for storing the grains. To the south of the granaries at Harappa particularly, lay working platform consisting of the rows of circular brick platforms were found. Rows of circular brick platforms. So the impression of the large wooden mortar found in the center of the circular platform. In the center of the circular platform, there were an impression of the large wooden mortar. Okay, such wooden mortar are used in many parts of the world to remove the husk from the grain. Is it clear? An important structure is the dockyard found in Lothal. Make a note, this may be your prelim question. The dockyard found at Lothal, it was measuring 223 meter in length, 35 meter in width and 8 meter in the depth. So it is 223 meter, 35 meter and 8 meter dimension, which provided with an inlet channel in the eastern wall and a spillway. So it's something like this. Okay, it provided with an inlet channel in the eastern wall. So this is the eastern side. It provided one inlet channel. Okay, the inlet channel was connected to a river. So the inlet channel was connected to a river, but its side is a 240 meter long and 21.6 meter wharf. Scholars identified this structure as a dockyard where ships and boats came for loading and unloading of goods. Make a note, scholars identified the dockyard at the Lothal where the ships and boats came for loading and unloading of the goods. So large number of seals have been found in a warehouse close to the dockyard. So scholars think that the Lothal was a major trading center of the Harappan civilization. So again make a note, this may be our prelim question. Lothal was a major trading center of the Harappan civilization. This is what scholars think because of the presence of what? Dockyard. Is it clear? Fine.